the eBay 2021 Luminance and Legacy 4 hobby box break. These are good boxes, even though we have college uniform stuff on it. These are good boxes because not only are we chasing this new rookie class, but there's some good veteran autos in these boxes too. So, Luminance has 3 autographs and 1 memorabilia card per box on average, and then Legacy has 2 autographs per box on average, so and a lot of parallels and numbered cards, so really good stuff. Regarding the college cards, it's all in the item descriptions in my breaks, but if there's any card that the player has moved teams, that we're not aware of or not, the player is going to whoever they were drafted by the checklist of the product. So I have the checklists of the product handy for Legacy and Luminance. So if these guys are all checklisted to their NFL teams that they were drafted by, but in case they have moved teams, since the off season, we will go by the checklist who they were drafted by, not who they're playing for now. If there's anybody that comes and there is no team listed for them, per the checklist, that would get random to the break. So just want to make that clear. All right, so we're going to get going with this now. Appreciate everyone joining. If you haven't done so, I appreciate you saving me as an eBay seller where we do the majority of our breaks. And subscribing to the channel here. This way you know when we go live, when we have breaks coming up through the eBay store. All right, so we'll go Legacy and Luminance here. We'll just go in order of when they came out. So we'll do Legacy first, and then we'll finish up with Luminance. So good luck, everyone, and let's pull some fire. Here we go. T-Law. Not that I recall. Let me just pull the checklist here. All right. Here we go. Oh, Trevor Lawrence, T-Law. Okay. No, I haven't pulled any. I haven't done too much 21, but I have not pulled Trevor Lawrence. No. Thinking Ty Law. Decade of Dominance, Joe Montana. Here's a Trevor Lawrence off the bat. Kadarius Toney, that's the Giants. Woodson and Sapp. Oh, shit. Boom! There you go! Oh, shit! Look at that one. Wow, Trevor Lawrence. You're calling for it. Just call for it and get it. That's a sweet-looking card, too, man. Good auto, all on sticker there. Low numbered, 11 out of 50. Wowzers. RPA time. Boom, boom, boom. What a start to Legacy. Trevor Lawrence. My man takes time with his signature, too. Very nice. Julio Jones, flashback. Jamie Newman. Fryermuth. That was big time. Going to be hard to top that. But we got a lot left. Russell Wilson, Terrace Marshall, Greg Rousseau. Russell Wilson, timeless talents out of 100. Seth Williams, Patrick Jones. Yeah, number to 50, Dave. We'll do a recap at the end. Don't worry. Definitely going to show that one again. Steve Young, Reggie Bush. Russell Wilson. Here's a nice Jags card. Etienne, silver. Najee Harris. Vasher. All right, Marlon Tuipulotu. Looks like USC, and NFL team is... Oh, I got the wrong one up. I got Luminance up. Marlin is Eagles. Eagles get that one. Derek Brooks for the ages. Devonta Smith, Penei Sewell. This little guy was hiding back there. Javonte Williams, 53 out of 100 mini. I believe he's Denver. But don't worry, with all these guys, whether we know what teams they are or not right now, they will go to the appropriate teams when we are packing the shipments. St. Brown and Sean Wade. Zach Wilson, Chrome. Nice one for the Jets. Atwell and Elijah Mitchell. Tua. Terrace Marshall, red. 31 out of 299. Javonte Williams and Brevin Jordan. Quiddy Pie. Silver mini. Hawkins, Davis Mills. Jillian Darden, Chrome rookie. Sam Ellinger and Justin Fields. Legacy has 2 autos per box. We pulled both in this first one. Aaron Donald out of $2.99. Quiddy Pie. Helen Mond. Christian Barrymore and Rondell Moore. Got something shiny here. Brady. Jamar Jefferson. Look at that. Yellow ice. 2 out of 25. Jefferson is Jamar Jefferson. Right? Am I saying that? Jamar Jefferson. It's Detroit Lions. 2 out of 25. Randy Moss, Timeless Talents. Ian Book and Nico Collins. All right, J.J. Watt, T.J. Watt. That'll be random between Houston and Pittsburgh. Asai and Etienne. Tom Brady out of 199. Zach Wilson. Good box. Good box. And Michael Carter, who I believe is the Jets. All right. Let's go to box 2. All right, Joe Mixon out of 299. Terrace Marshall and Greg Rousseau. Lamar flashback. Seth Williams, Patrick Jones. And these RPAs are nice looking. Kenneth Gainwell. Looks like Memphis Tigers. And that's going out to the Eagles. Kenneth Gainwell futures. 53 out of 100. Going out to the Eagles. Najee Harris, Vasher. Jamie Newman, orange. 110 out of 199. Sam Ellinger, Justin Fields. Caleb Farley, silver. Lamar for the ages. Woody Pike, Helen Mond. Or Kellen. The way they have the H or the K here looks weird. Steve Largent, Legends. Emmett, Decade of Dominance. Christian Barmore, Rondell Moore. Herbert. Hopkins, Chrome, Under the Lights. Drew Brees, Flashback. Ian Book, Nico Collins. Rookie Chrome Silver Auto, Davis Mills. Going out to Houston Texans. Randy Moss, Javonte Williams, Brevin Jordan. All right, nice one here. Rashad Bateman, 26 out of 75. Yeah, Ravens. Minnesota Golden Gophers. Bateman out of 75, mini. Saquon, Kylan Hill, Jalen Barden. Chrome, Elijah Molden. Timeless Talents, Tom Brady. Patrick Surtain. And there's a Trey Lance. Haven't seen Mac Jones yet. There's a Trey Lance. All right, Ed McCaffrey, Christian McCaffrey. So we'll random that one off between Denver and Carolina. Hawkins and Davis Mills. Michael Vick for the ages out of 100. Joseph Asai and Etienne. Zach Wilson and Michael Carter. Got another one of those gold ices coming up. Nice. Herbert under the lights. 21 out of 25. Tom Brady flashback. That's a Patriots card. Devonta Smith and Penei Sewell. St. Brown and Sean Wade. Seth Williams yellow. 136 out of 150. Tutu Atwell and Elijah Mitchell. So that will do it for Legacy. Good stuff. All right, let's open up Luminance. 3 autos and 1 mem card per box on average. Let's do the thick pack first, which is probably the mem card. Good looking cards though. J.K. Dobbins, Dalvin Cook, Jarvis Landry, Kamara, 9 out of 50. Sermon Trey out of 299. And Justin Herbert is the jersey card. Not numbered. Just says authentic material. Doesn't say if it's game used or not. Nice card nonetheless. Daniel Jones. Sean Wade. Kyle Trask. Chaz Surratt. All right, we should get the autos here in the next 3. Claypool, Aaron Jones, Ryan Tannehill, Eckler, Darren Waller at a 299. All right, first one up, Elijah Mitchell. I'm sorry, Elijah Molden. 10 out of 50. Oh, it's got the pro team on it. Tennessee Titans. Nice. College uni, but at least the pro team is named on it. That makes things easier for me. Going out to Tennessee. Eric. Christian McCaffrey, Flash. Flash 21. Quincy Roche, Jeremiah Owusu Koromanoma, Carlos Basham Jr. Stephon Diggs, DeAndre Swift, Tom Brady, Myles Garrett out of 35. Oh, that sucks. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. There's one of our autos right there. So that'll be random to the whole break. Stupid. So stupid. House calls Daniel Jones. Jamar Jefferson. Asante Samuel Jr. and Anthony Schwartz. Yeah, I mean, Craig, some of these names are ridiculous. They are tough, man. And some of them, no matter how many times you say them, you're not going to get them. Lamar, Kirk Cousins, Nick Chubb, Deontay Johnson. They owe us a good auto here now after that bullshit. Tyler Vaughns out of 99. And the auto is Najee Harris, so that's pretty good. Pittsburgh Steelers. So that's a little bit of a makeup there after the stupid Panini points. Najee Harris going out to the Pittsburgh Steelers and Christopher. Ezekiel Elliott, lights out. Kenneth Gainwell, Demetric Felton, and Trey Sermon. Yeah, that's a good one for the Steelers. All right, here we go, box 2. And let's hope that there's not a freaking Panini points again in this. By the way, I got the same break running back tomorrow night on eBay. Same thing, two Legacy, 2 Luminance. So, you know, you go back to my store and if you want to bid again. But we got it running back tomorrow night again, 9:30 p.m. Eastern. All right, last box here, Luminance. Good luck. No freaking Panini points. That's ridiculous. And if you're going to do Panini points, you could at least do better than 150 Panini. All right, let's do the memorabilia card first. That's ridiculous, man. In each case, Michael Thomas, Ezekiel Elliott, Justin Herbert, Chris Humphrey II out of 25. Chargers. David Johnson out of 99. And memorabilia card, T. Higgins. Daniel Jones. Davis Mills. Kadarius Toney and Daz Newsome. These packs might be toughest packs to open up for the new season. Last year was Upper Deck hockey packs were the toughest. Myles Garrett, T.J. Watt. There's another Myles Garrett at a $2.99. All right, autograph. Chris Evans out of $3.49. Cincinnati Bengals. Cincinnati's Nick. McCaffrey again with the Flash 21. Elijah Moore. Ian Book. And Jamie Newman. We haven't gotten any of the big quarterbacks in Luminance yet. Plenty of those in Legacy. Watson, A.J. Brown, Jared Goff, Cole Beasley. Ramondre Stevenson out of 75, New England Patriots. Dax Milday. Dax Milday auto out of 349. Going to the Washington football team. Dax Milday. Certainly not a banner autograph. House calls Daniel Jones. Jalen or Jason Owa. It's hard to read. It's hard. Some of these names are hard to read as it is, and then you have like the metallic script. Well, we're just gonna say Tamarian Terry. Seattle Seahawks. Seth Williams. Last pack. We got to do a little better than those two autos. Edelman. Mike Evans. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. J.K. Dobbins. Terrace Marshall at a $2.99. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Zach Wilson. There we go. Nice on card, too. So we wait for the last pack of the break to hit big, but we hit it. Zach Wilson. Year 1 autograph on card. Going out to the Jets. Anthony. Oh, the guy's in jail. Well, we don't have a checklist team for jail. Beautiful hit for the Jets. Zach Wilson. Very nice. Ezekiel Elliott, lights out. Michael Carter. Tutu Atwell. And Sean Wade. right, we'll do the recap, and then we will random off those 2 cards and the points. All right, Dax Milde out of 349 autograph. Chris Evans out of 349 autograph. T. Higgins jerseys. Najee Harris out of 300 autograph. Elijah Molden out of 50. Justin Herbert jersey. Justin Herbert out of 25. Zach Wilson legacy. Trey Lance legacy. Rashad Bateman out of 75 mini. Yep. Davis Mills autograph. Chrome silver. Justin Fields. Kenneth Gainwell RPA out of 100. Zach Wilson. Tom Brady out of 199. Jefferson out of 25. Justin Fields. Hoodie Pie rookie silver mini. Zach Wilson chrome. And then we got Javonte Williams bronze mini out of 100. Tuia Puloto silver rookie autograph chrome. Etienne silver. Trevor Lawrence base. Zach Wilson on-card autograph year 1. And the big one of the break there, Trevor Lawrence futures RPA 11 out of 50. Very nice. All right, let's do these randoms. All right, first one up. What's up, Brad? First one up, we're going to do Houston and Pittsburgh on the randoms. Here we go. We're going to do random. All randoms will be going 4 times. First one up, Houston and Pittsburgh. TJ Watt. JJ Watt. Here we go. 1, 4. Okay, Houston gets the card. Then we got Denver and Carolina. And Denver will get that one. And now we're going to random off the 150 points to the entire break. All right, we got Richard down to Mark. 4 times. Top spot after 4 rolls gets the 150 points. Here we go. And lucky number 4, David. All right, David gets the points. And that's the break. Thanks everyone for joining. Appreciate that. Like I said, we're going to be doing the same break tomorrow night, and yeah, hopefully we can pull some fire like we did tonight with the Zach Wilson and the Trevor Lawrence. We could do it again tomorrow night. So appreciate everyone coming out, and I'll hang on the line here if anyone wants to do any personals. I have some personals that are listed at fairwaysportscards.com. I have some stuff that's not even on the site that I could break too. I got some Leaf Metal football. I have Elite, Dunruss Elite football hobby boxes. So if anyone's interested in doing personals of those, I can give you a price on those. But if you did want to take a look at some personals on fairwaysportscards.com, you could purchase through there. I'll hang on for probably another 15 minutes or so before we end the stream.